I really wanted to change people's lives. I felt that teeth were so important to appearance, to ability to chew, and I just wanted to make a difference. I've been known to get goosebumps when I deliver my all-on-4 cases because I'm that passionate about it. Being able to make an impact on a patient's life is what really drove me to become a dentist. The reason why I wanted to start Dr. Implant and not work for a corporate company is because I wanted to have my own freedom to invest in my own technology, because I felt there has to be a simpler way for my patients. Dental implant treatment does not have to be so long. Patients don't have to come to so many appointments. Patients don't need to have to wear a removable denture. I wanted to have that one-on-one feel with the patient. I wanted the patient to feel like they're coming to a family-owned office. Patients aren't just another number. By having our own lab, investing in our own digital scanners and all this technology, we're able to close the circle and provide this best service for our patients. We can literally get this done in 24 hours. The ultimate goal of Dr. Implant is to make full arch treatment affordable to everyone. So let us help you get that perfect smile.